Are you constantly battling coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath without any answers? Or maybe it's sneezing, runny nose, congestion, or just itchy eyes that won't stop. Do you find yourself feeling exhausted no matter how much rest you get, suffering from frequent headaches or dry eyes, or dealing with brain fog that makes it really hard to concentrate, and you just haven't been able to get to the bottom of it? If any of this sounds familiar, mold might be the hidden culprit. Maybe you've heard more people mentioning mold and its impact on our health. An estimated 50% of U.S. homes have some form of mold in them, and about 25% of people are genetically very susceptible to mold-related health issues. So the odds are high that mold could be lurking in your home or affecting your health without you knowing it. Dr. Donald Dennis has decades of pioneering research under his belt, and he's completely transformed how we approach mold exposure. His groundbreaking treatments have helped countless people take back their health, their homes, and his company, Microbalance Health, offers an entire line of products specifically designed to combat mold safely and effectively. We've even used these products personally on our journey to recover from toxic mold exposure, and we are so grateful for them.